Traffic advisories are alerts provided by ATC to pilots about other aircraft that might be in proximity to their flight path. These advisories are essential for maintaining situational awareness and ensuring the critical safe separation of aircraft, particularly in busy or congested areas. Traffic advisories help pilots remain aware of nearby aircraft, especially in those that could potentially create a conflict or require attention. By informing pilots about other aircraft in their vicinity, traffic advisories assist in preventing mid-air collisions. ATC uses radar and other tracking systems to monitor aircraft positions and detect possible conflicts. When ATC identifies another aircraft near your position that could be a factor, they issue a traffic advisory.
JetBlue 191, maintain 8,000 for now. Traffic 12 o'clock in 7 miles. Altitude indicates 7,500 unverified.
Okay, 948, leveling off at 8,000, JetBlue 191.
Upon receiving a traffic advisory, pilots acknowledge the information and visually search for the traffic. If the pilot sees the traffic, they may report traffic in sight. If they cannot see the traffic, they may request further information or an altitude change to avoid the potential conflict. Here are some common phrases used in traffic advisories. Traffic 10 o'clock. Indicates the traffic is approximately 30 degrees left of the aircraft's nose. The clock system uses the nose of the aircraft at the 12 o'clock position and the tail at 6 o'clock. Traffic advisories will also include a distance information. For example, traffic at 10 o'clock 3 miles means the other aircraft is 3 nautical miles away from your position. They also include altitude information. Traffic at 10 o'clock 3 miles away, 1,000 feet below, indicates that the aircraft is 1,000 feet below your current altitude. For pilots, there are two options. You can say either traffic in sight, used by the pilot when the traffic has been visually acquired, or negative contact or no joy is used when the pilot cannot see the traffic. For controlled airspace, you may see traffic in sight will maintain visual separation. That readback allows the ATC controllers to understand that you see the traffic and now you are accepting responsibility to avoid and maintain visual separation from that aircraft. Traffic advisories allows pilots to anticipate and avoid potential conflicts, leading to smoother and more efficient flight operations. All right, folks, if you've made it this far without dozing off, very impressive. Tip of the cap. Now that you're officially a helicopter nerd like me, why not take the next step? Check out my online helicopter ground school at 3gheliprep.com. Trust me, it'll only get more exciting from here, or at least more useful.